Good morning, math. In this lesson, we're going to show that between any two real numbers, there's always a rational number. To prove this, we'll use a very important fact about real numbers called the Archimedean property. The Archimedean property says the following. If you take any two positive real numbers, let's call them p and q, then there's always some positive whole number n, such that p is less than n times q. Let me explain this in a simple way. If p and q are positive, then the ratio p divided by q is also a positive real number. And no matter what this ratio is, you can always find a positive whole number n that is larger than that ratio. In other words, n exceeds p divided by q. If you multiply both sides of that idea by q, you get exactly the statement of the Archimedean property. P is less than n times q. Now let's use this idea to prove that between any two real numbers, there is a rational number. Suppose we pick two real numbers, call them x and y, with x being smaller than y. According to the Archimedean property, we can find a positive whole number n such that the number 1 is less than n times the difference between y and x. Now look at the numbers n times x and n times y. These are real numbers, and since n times y is more than 1 unit larger than n times x, there must be a whole number m that lies strictly between them. So we have nx less than m less than ny. Because n is a positive whole number, we can divide everything by n. This gives us x less than m divided by n less than y. And m divided by n is a rational number. So we have shown that no matter which two real numbers you choose, there's always a rational number between them.